Welcome to Profit Insights, where we look at the latest financial markets with clarity and thoughtful analysis. I'm your host, Dusty, guiding you through the key developments that have closed out this remarkable week. The U.S. stock markets have been buzzing. As of last Friday, we saw the S&P 500, NASDAQ Composite, and Dow Jones Industrial Average hitting all-time highs. Investors are optimistic, focusing on potential rate cuts despite ongoing trade policy jitters. The S&P 500 climbed 0.52%, ending at 6,173.07, and the Dow rose significantly, adding 432 points to finish at 43,819.27. On Monday, the tech sector continued to surge. AI-related stocks pushed markets higher, with the NASDAQ hitting another intraday record. Heavyweights like Nvidia, Alphabet, and Amazon led the gains, capturing investor enthusiasm. Interestingly, the CBOE Volatility Index, or VIX, tells us near-term market volatility is cooling down. Now let's shift to some economic indicators. The latest data shows personal consumption expenditures, commonly watched as an inflation measure, dropping unexpectedly. On the surface, this implies lower pricing pressures, but core inflation, which excludes food and energy, ticked up slightly. Personal income and spending both saw minor declines in May. With income down and spending dipping, the personal savings rate has reached its lowest since early 2021. It's a sign that consumers are relying more on their savings as costs remain high. Consumer sentiment offers a brighter picture, improving significantly from May to June. This newfound confidence stems from easing inflation expectations. Despite some financial pressures, consumer optimism could bolster economic activity moving forward. In corporate earnings, the banking sector delivered upbeat news. Bank of America wowed the market, reporting strong results that lifted its shares by over 5%. This is a good indication of robust performance among major banks overall. However, regional banks have lagged behind. Technology and AI continue to dominate. Companies like Nvidia are riding high with robust demand for chips, driving the tech sector forward. Bank of America forecasts a substantial revenue opportunity for AI over the next few years, a promising outlook for tech investors. Gold has also caught investors' eyes, reaching record highs. With the increasing likelihood of rate cuts, investors are placing bets on safe havens like gold to shield themselves. It's fascinating how market dynamics shift based on policy expectations. Looking ahead, all signs point to a rate cut by the Fed in September, which could influence various sectors. While some analysts caution against underlying recession risks, the rise across multiple indices reflects broad confidence that the Fed can secure a soft landing. As we wrap up today, remember, the financial world is ever-changing. Pay attention to the signals and stay informed. When the dust settles, only the truth remains. Thanks for tuning in to Profit Insights. Until next time, keep seeking the truth in the markets.